Hey guys, welcome. In this video, we'll be talking about PHP installation or getting your computer environment ready for PHP programming. So, like we said previously, a PHP script is executed on the server and the plain HTML result is sent back to the browser. So, to start using PHP, you can either find a web host with PHP and MySQL support online, or if you are like me, you can do everything on your computer. And this is how I propose that you do it going forward. Then after you're done with your script, you can upload it to an online server. So, for us to install a web server on our computer, you have to install PHP and MySQL and some other packages, but there is a program that can do everything for us once and for all, and it is called XAMPP, S-A-M-P-P. So let's check XAMPP out. So just go to Google and type XAMPP. Then when you've clicked on your search, the next thing you want to do is click on download. Okay, so you click on download, and you, depending on what your computer is, if you're using XAMPP for Windows, you select the one with the latest version of PHP. By the time you're watching this video, I don't know what version you may be on, but right now when I'm doing this recording, we are on PHP 8.1.10. So you download this one, 64 bits. Okay. Then if you are on Linux, you download this, you choose the one you want to download. There is a button for each version. And if you are on Mac OS or an Apple laptop or computer, you decide on which one you want to download. Okay, so select any one. I have it downloaded already on my computer, so I'm not going to do this with you, but click on any of the buttons to start your download. And when your download is done successfully, just double click on the downloaded file to install the application. After it is installed, just go to your programs by clicking the Windows icon, then search for XAMPP. I have it already, so you see XAMPP control panel. Just run it as an administrator. If you do it as an administrator, okay, the next thing you will have is a screen like this. When you have this screen, the XAMPP control panel, you want to click on Start and Start on both of them, okay? So you start both, you start Apache and MySQL at the same time, okay? When it is started, you already have your server running on your computer. So to test if the server is running, just go to your browser and click on type localhost, okay? And when you go to localhost, you will have this on your screen. And if you want to check for your phpMyAdmin, you click on this. This is your MySQL database. It takes you to your MySQL database, okay? So now you have your server ready on your computer. The next thing we need to get is an editor. There are a lot of editors that you can use for PHP programming. There is VS Code, Brackets, Vim, Notepad, Notepad++. In the course of this video, I will be using VS Code. Okay, so to download VS Code, just type VS Code on Google like you see on my screen and click on download. When you click on download, you choose the one you want. If you're on Windows, you click on this one. If you are on Linux, you click on any of this. And if you're on Mac, you click on any of it. I have it downloaded already. Okay, so if you download it properly, you will get this icon that you can see on the bottom of my screen here, this icon, or this icon you can see right here. Or if you go to your programs, search for VS Code, and here you have it, VS Code. Also, I like to use another editor called Brackets. So if I search for Brackets editor, so this is Brackets, this is the icon, a modern open source code editor. If you click on it, bracket.io, you can download Brackets immediately by just clicking on this button, okay? I have it already, so if you go to your programs after downloading it and you search for Brackets, you can see I have Brackets running already. All right, So you can download any other editor that you like. Any editor you want to use is good. What matters most is that you can type your codes. The next thing you want is a browser. Currently, I'm using Mozilla Firefox, but also I will be using other types of browser like Maxton and Chrome browser. So download a browser on your computer. And when you have all this ready, then you are ready to begin programming with PHP. So in the next video, we may start with our first code. So guys, I'll see you in the next one.